We would like to introduce to you Irene Pro 5. The most user-friendly, fast and advanced calculation and analysis software for gas networks. Get instant insights into the supply and demand, pressure drops, flow directions, velocities and flow rates in your gas network. For different types of gas, such as biogas, green gas, hydrogen and CO2. With Irene Pro, you will also get insights into where exactly the gas goes, how fast it is being transported, the delivery reliability, and, for example, where the greatest pressure losses occur. All in one single platform. You can also analyze the effects of green gas supply as well as the impact of the direct surroundings, pipeline failures and station failures. This will allow you to make informed decisions. Irene Pro is an important tool from design to replacement, as well as during operational management issues and energy transitions. The entire Dutch gas distribution network is calculated using Irene Pro. Network operators have direct insights into their network's current status. If you have any questions, you can always contact the Irene Pro service desk. With the input and feedback from our users, we are constantly working on improving Irene Pro. Irene Pro 5. Download the free demo version at irenepro.com.